I invite you now to sit upright as is comfortable for your body. And let's take a nice, long, deep breath. And let's say to every muscle in our body, relax and let go. Relax and let go. Mentally scanning the body, starting from the feet, moving up the body, and just say to your feet, relax, relax. You don't have to make them relax, just give the suggestion. And notice how your body starts to relax. Becoming aware of your calves, your thighs. Relax. Allow your abdomen and stomach to relax. No need to hold that part of your body in. Let go. Let go. Becoming aware of your arms and your shoulders and your hands. Relax. Relax. Relaxing the muscles in your chest. Relaxing the muscles in your back. Upper, middle, lower back. Letting go, letting go, letting go, letting go. Become aware of the muscles in your neck, relaxing the front, the back, the sides of your neck. Relaxing your jaw, your cheeks, your eyes, your nose, your whole face, your forehead, your scalp. From the top of your head to the bottoms of your feet, letting go, letting go, letting go, letting go, letting go. Relax. And scanning your body and looking to see, is there still any place that needs to relax? You might want to gently tense and release that part of your body. I relax, I let go. I stop. I stop all the frantic running around. Feeling overwhelmed or whatever it is. And I drop into this quiet place within me. What in the Hebrew Bible, also known as the Old Testament, was referred to the secret place of the Most High. I drop into that secret place of the Most High, where only I can go. Where I can be fed from within. Spiritual upliftment, spiritual strength, spiritual love and peace, spiritual joy. As my mind becomes calm and quiet, I begin to drop into that quiet place. Where I experience true inner communion, common union with the source of my being. the I am that I am, the one presence and one power. That many call God, Spirit, love, being, divine mind, by many names, but all the same presence. And I focus my mind even more using the tool of my breath. I feel the flow of my breath as it moves in and out of my nasal passages. And I keep bringing my mind back to the breath. And as my breath flows in, I mentally think the words, or words like this, whatever works best for you. God is, on the inhalation. I am, on the exhalation. God is, I am. When your mind wanders, bring it back to the breath and to the words, the affirmations, the mantra. God is, I am. Let's take a nice long deep breath now. Letting go of watching the breath, letting go of the affirmation, the mantra. And just tune in to whatever has been awakened inside of you. Just be present to whatever you might be feeling, or to whatever else might be drawing your attention within you. You are the light of the world, the way shower and master teacher Jesus said. not your body, you're not your mind, you're not your emotions, you are consciousness. Pure light, wholeness, completeness. Imagine that light filling your whole being. Feel the warmth of that light radiating through you. And now see that light radiating through, as, and from your friends, your loved ones, your family. No matter what situation they're in, no matter what conditions, no matter what their mind, their body, their emotions might be experiencing, nothing changes the light that they are. See that light. And we expand our awareness to include all people. We include all those whose names have been submitted to the Unity Center for Prayer. And we include every person on the planet. Every person in every nation. And we know the truth for every person that you are a being of light. You are a being of peace. You are a being of love. We know that for every person, all those in the Ukraine, all those in Russia, all those everywhere on the planet. And in that awareness, there is one presence and one power, spirit, wholeness, peace, harmony, compassion, right action, order. And we give thanks for this realization, for this knowing, and for this knowing together with others, our spiritual brothers and sisters. And we bring our awareness now back to the room where we are, back to our physical bodies, hearing the sounds around us, moving fingers, toes, feeling the ground beneath us. And we let this new consciousness unfold and express. We release this imprisoned splendor. And we are grateful. Amen. Thank you for meditating with me. Remember to subscribe to my channel for more meditations as they go live. Click above for a list of previous meditations so that you can meditate with me on your own time, anytime.